I'm a software engineer. Everybody knows this. I am from Pakistan and I have developed a lot of small indie games, developed websites, I have developed future, I have developed Android applications and a lot more. And bunch of my stuff is online on Google Play Store, on Netlify, or is on my GitHub repos. You can all check it out. But 3 days ago, Unity has made some drastically changes to its policies, to its system, to its packaging and price. It's so depressing that I would say this is the death of the Unity. Unity, if you're not familiar, Unity is a game engine that helps developers to create stunning little games. A lot of games are built on Unity. For example, Clash of Clans was built on Unity in the beginnings, but later they changed. There are a lot of mobile applications. You play a lot of games like Angry Bird was built on Unity. All indie games are built on Unity. So let's check it out what Unity had made some changes to its plan and how it is affecting all the indie game players. So this is Unity official blog post. Unity has gone through extensive why they are doing this, but but this is the graph that is most important. So Unity now is charging 0.8 cent on per install. So if you have around 1 to 10,000 users, or 1,000 to 50,000 and 50,000 to million and a million plus, then you would be charged. The standard threshold for personal licensing is 20 cent per install. Let me tell you, you might think that 20 cent is nothing, but to be honest, game development market is highly competitive. Is You have very less margin. So what happens is you developed a game. For example, if you developed a game on Unity, and then you have launched a game on Google Play Store, every purchasement that you as a user made through your app on Google Play Store, Google or Apple will cut your fee, will take a charge from you guys around 30%. So for example, if something is rupees, something is for 10 rupees, and as a developer I'm charging 10 rupees to you guys. So what Google, and you have bought 10 rupees something in the game. So what Google will do, Google will take 3 rupees, 3 to 4 rupees from me, so that my game is published on their platform. So which left with almost, like you can say, um, 6 7 rupees. So even that for 6 7 rupees, that 6 7 rupees I'm paying for my hardware, my networking, my a lot of customers and support and guidance. So it left me a very little profit. Even up 1 or 2 rupees will be left from overall purchasement. And this 20 cent on every install is massive. And I have a user base around, you can say I have a couple of games on Unity, and you can say that it will make me to force shut down my games on Unity, or might have to switch all of my game from Unity to somewhere else. So that's the threshold for me. This is affecting everybody, and in plus with their subscription, they are adding this on 20 cent on every install. So how Unity is doing this is that, and they will charge us 20 cents on that particular install. So let's just say you have installed an application from Google Play Store, a game from Google Play Store, and you uninstalled it and you have reinstalled it. So on every install and uninstall, Unity will charge me 20 cent, and that is insane. Like I have around 50,000 users. Let's just assume I have 50,000 users, and on every uninstall and install, Unity will give. I have to give Unity like a half of my budget. Like the market is so competitive that I call it that Unity is dead right now. If Unity is going through this process and they have implemented what they are saying in couple of days, then I need to switch my application to Unreal Engine, or any other open source project, so that I can stay in my business. So that is the overall how Unity is affecting the market right now, and everybody's talking about. And this is a massive change. that Unity has implemented. Unity has not a reputation when come to development and its community. I love Unity. My very first game was the very first game that I developed was in Unity, but unfortunately, this is not the case anymore. So that is it. Let's see what will happen right now. Unity has taken a pretty good stand against this changes, and we will see how it will affect me. I will make a future update video and let you guys know how this is affecting me and my current development stage. And with that, please like the video, share, comment, and I'll see you next time.